Morning, ma'am.
Good 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 morning, ma'am.
If you can see on your screen over here, children, we are going to do some exercises based on tenses. Okay, which topic are we going to do today?
Tenses.
Yes,
Ma'am, tenses.
very good. Now, what you need to do is fill in the blanks with the correct form of verbs. Do the first exercise, decide your answers, and raise your hands. Do not say done, done. It disturbs others. So, once you finish doing the first exercise, raise your hands. Start, beta. Your time starts now. Please start. Whoever finishes, raise your hands.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Raise your hands, you finished, beta. Only 6 of you. What about others?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
we need to do first para.
Yes, only the first one.
Okay, ma'am.
What happened? Other 3-4 students who are left? Aiza, Dhruv, Mohit. Have I given such a difficult task that you're not able to do? Okay, let's discuss. Once they dash a sailor. Tell me the answer.
lived.
Lived. Lived.
Very
Lived. Lived.
He dash a lot of money.
Lived. He had.
Had. He had.
Excellent. One day he dashed to donate it to the poor.
Decided.
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 Which tense are we going? Which tense are we
Ma'am,
speaking?
past tense.
Past.
Very good. This is very nice class. Excellent. His brother dash very greedy.
Been.
Was.
Been.
Been.
Was.
Yes. His brother was very greedy. Please mute your audios. His brother was very greedy. Let's move to the next one. And dash to keep all the money.
Wanted.
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 So he
Wanted.
dashed. Very good, beta. So he dashed the money.
Steal.
Stole.
Stole.
Stole the money. Stole the money. Stole the money.
All the
The
money.
money because we're going in past tense. So steal will become stole. Very good. And dash away.
Ran away.
Ran away.
Ran away.
Very good. Too good. Fortunately, the police dash him.
Caught him.
Dash.
Caught him.
Caught beta, not
Caught.
because we're going for the entire sentence in past tense. So caught him. And dash the
Caught.
sailor's money.
Returned.
Returned the sailor's money.
Too good. So we have done everything in the past. Live became lived. Has became had. Decide decided. Be became was. Wanted. What was the past tense we used for steal, children?
Stole.
Stole.
And for run.
Ran.
Ran.
And for catch.
Caught.
Caught.
Very good. Very good. Too good, children. So this is entire past tense that we have done. Now move on to the second paragraph. Finish the second paragraph. Raise your hands. Those who
Done.
finish the second one, please don't do that. I told you
Okay,
just
sorry.
once you're done. Just raise your hands.
Yes,
beta.
yes, sir. Yes.
Hurry up, do the second one. Raise your hands.
तो हमें आप कुछ कह रही थी वैसे
Please mute your audios. Please mute your audios. When needed, only then switch them on.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of matador?
Yes, what is it?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of matador?
Will anybody help him? Will anybody tell me what is matador?
Ma'am, a type
Have you
of vehicle.
seen those? Have you seen those magics, Tata Magic?
Yes, ma'am.
Something like this. पहले आता था बेटा matadors पहले आती थी. Now they are outdated. They were the middle size गाड़ी ना, कार से बड़ा, बस से छोटा. You just think about a van, school vans जो चलती है, school vans or the Tata Magics that you have. That size वाला गाड़ी, they were known as matadors. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
chalo, do. Just hands to be raised. Nobody will say done. Let us see how many hands raised now very quickly. Very good. Almost the entire class is done except for Fatima. Okay, let's start with the answers. A tragedy dash place yesterday.
Took.
Yes, when a matador dash into a canal.
Fallen.
Fell into a canal. Very good. The driver of the matador dashed to save an auto.
Tried.
Tried.
Very good.
Tried.
It is tried to save, and dash control on the vehicle.
Lost.
Excellent. About 15 students dashed traveling in it. Very good. It is were beta because it is students. It is not student. Had it been student singular, then we would use was. But यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है? Students. So we are going to use plural. That is were. The people from the nearby villages dash 27
Saved.
So we are still moving in which tense?
Past tense.
Good. Very smart class. 9C is very smart. Let us
Thank you, ma'am.
good. Chaliye, let's do the third one now. An earthquake with a preliminary magnitude. Do this one and raise your hands. Finish the third one. Beta, please mute your audios so that others don't get disturbed. Okay? Mute your audios. Only use them when you have to give answers. Do the third one, children.
Ma'am, I was not able to hear you. Can you please repeat?
I'm saying please mute your audios. Only unmute when you have to give answers. Okay? See, I also do the same. When I have to speak, only that time I unmute myself so that no unnecessary sound reaches there. Yes, beta. Speak. Your audio is not clear at all, beta. Some problem in the signals. Could anyone understand what she said?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
There is some
Ma'am,
problem.
there is a connection problem.
Yes, try it again after a few minutes, beta. Whoever it is, speak again after a few minutes. Hurry up, do the third one. Raise your hands. Let me see how many hands raised. Wow. Except for Akansha, Dhruv, and Zainab, everybody is done. Akansha, you finished? Okay. Dhruv is also done now. Okay. Let's start. Very good. Almost everybody has done. An earthquake with a preliminary magnitude of 7.3 dash northern Japan on Tuesday.
Hit.
Very good. I was thinking somebody will say hitted. Hitted is wrong. There is no word as hitted. It is hit. Okay. The Japan Meteorological Agency said dash tsunami warnings for much of the were issued. It is said now. The epicenter of the earthquake, which dash in Tokyo, fell. He felt. Beta, see carefully. The epicenter of the earthquake which dash in Tokyo
Was.
was felt. Very good. Was felt in Tokyo. Dash off the coast of Fukushima.
Was.
Premature at depth of about 10 kilometers, the agency dash.
Said.
Yes, it is said. There dash no immediate reports of damage or injury.
There was no immediate.
No, it is not was. What is the correct answer?
There were.
Yes, it is were. Were. Why it is
Were.
were? Why not was? Why were? Why not was?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, because reports.
Very good. Very good.
Ma'am,
It is
because it is
reports.
reports.
So don't hurry. That is why I said don't hurry.
Reports.
Most of you said was. And this is because you hurry, children. You don't read carefully. You have to be very careful. It is singular or plural. It is reports. So it should be were, not was. Most of you said was. Jaldi jaldi karte hain aap log. That is why you do these mistakes. So don't hurry. Check for singulars and plurals as well. Anyways, only one part you went a bit confused. Otherwise, everything went well. So good. Let's move on to the fourth one, the Mahabharata one. Do it and raise your hands. Quickly, children, Mahabharata. Let me see how many you have done. Let's give 1 minute more. Vinesh, why your video is on? I know you're looking very smart. You always look smart. You don't need to show this. Switch off your video. Okay, by mistake it is okay. Srishti's. Anyways, whoever it is, no point distracting others. Chali, let's start. The Mahabharata dash one of the two major Sanskrit epics of ancient India.
Was one of the two major Sanskrit epics.
Beta, why was Mahabharata isn't a universal truth. Mahabharata was an epic, it is an epic, and it will always remain an epic.
Yes,
It's a
ma'am.
universal truth.
Yes, ma'am.
So should
Mahabharata
we have
is
it?
one of the two major Sanskrit.
Should we make it was or should we make it is?
Ma'am, is.
And we should make it is.
Why not was?
Because it is a universal truth which cannot be changed. And we have to use is.
It is not that Mahabharata was and now it is not. It is still beta, so don't change the tense over here. That is why I keep reminding
Yes.
you कि जल्दी नहीं करनी है. Let's go to the next one. The other dash the Ramayana.
Is the Ramayana.
Is.
Very good. Very good.
And
Again, was
now only you told us.
रामायण महाभारत कल भी थे आज भी हैं कल भी रहेंगे. So we are going to use is. The Mahabharata dash an epic narrative of the Kurukshetra war.
Is.
An epic narrative.
Very good. And the fate of the Kaurava and the Pandava princes. It also dash philosophical and devotional material.
Contained.
We will not say contained. It is
Contained.
contains क्योंकि अभी भी है. Then traditionally the authorship of the Mahabharata dash to Vyasa.
Attribute.
Attributes.
Attributes.
Okay.
Attributes.
They dash many attempts.
There were
Are.
Very good. There were many attempts to dash its historical and compositional layers.
unraveled compositional
Unravel.
layers.
Unravel.
Layers.
Yes. Unravel means रहस्य जानने के लिए बहुत कोशिश की गई. Okay. Unravel the
Yes.
layers. There were a lot of efforts done.
Of
So what is the basic rule we have learned in this paragraph? What is the basic rule?
universal
And
truth
that
will be
universal truth will
truth.
remain.
Exactly. We are not going to change the tense when we are talking about a universal truth. So this is what we learned
It
from the
is
first
there and it
paragraph.
will always be there.
Yes, like Earth revolves around the sun, it still revolves. It will keep on revolving. 9C is a good class, is a good class. I did not say was. Okay? It's another universal truth. I'll not change the tense till the session gets over. Beta ji, do the fifth
Yes,
one.
ma'am.
Start all of you. Raise your hands
Okay,
once
ma'am.
you finish. Smart children. Are you Superman or something? In 1 minute, 9 people have raised hands. All students are Superman, Batmans in this class.
We have to just read the paragraph and our brain says that it is the answer and then we raise our hand.
Oh, brain, hand, all connected, eyes. Everything connected. Eyes sees, brain
Ma'am,
says
we have
done.
some superpowers within us.
That is what I'm saying. Na? All Supermans and Batmans here only in 9C only.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's give 1 minute to normal human beings. I feel the entire class only is Superman. Everybody is raised hand. Thomas Tom Sawyer dashed the title character of the Mark Twain novel.
In girl.
Is
Sorry.
the
Is
is the title
in.
character.
Why not was?
Ma'am, because
Ma'am,
it is
it
the
is the universal
universal.
truth that it is the title and it cannot be changed and it will be
Exactly.
there for the whole life.
मार्क ट्वेन ने जब नॉवल लिखा तो ये टाइटल दिया. It is not that now हम उसको बदल के कुछ और कर देंगे, next generation कुछ और कर देगा. The title of a book will always remain the same. Yes or no?
It is the universal truth.
Yes, ma'am.
Should be what? It should be is only. चलिए. Dhruv Sharma, I know you are a very good artist, but please show your art skills to
No,
Ravi
ma'am.
sir.
Sorry, ma'am.
Anjali. No, it's okay, dear. It happens by mistake. I understand. It's something very natural. हो जाता है कई बार. It is okay. Absolutely okay. Okay, beta. Why did we not say was title? Why did we say is title?
Ma'am, because it's a universal truth and it cannot be changed.
Universal truth and it cannot be changed.
It's a truth. It cannot change it because it's the title of a book.
Yes, ma'am.
So whatever
Yes,
the author has
ma'am.
given the title will remain the same only. We cannot change the
Same.
title. Okay, चलिए आगे. He dash in 3 other novels by Mark Twain.
Appears.
Appears.
Appears. Very good. Not appeared. Appears. Tom Sawyer dash a boy of about 12 years of age.
Was a boy.
Was.
Is
12 साल का तो
beta.
पहले था अब तो
अभी
बड़ा हो
भी
गया होगा.
अभी भी आप
Is
उसकी
a.
नॉवल पढ़ोगे तो उसकी एज 12 इयर्स ही होगी. ये नहीं कि अब वो बुढ़ा हो गया होगा 80 इयर्स क्योंकि नॉवल 60 इयर्स पहले लिखी गई थी. ऐसा नहीं होगा. It is not that if I read the novel 20 years back, then he was 12 years and now he will be 32 years. In the novel, his age will remain the same. So is. Who dash in the
Okay, ma'am.
fictional town of, yes, who?
Resides.
Resided.
Resides.
Resides.
Reside.
Very good. Resides. It will not become very good. Not resided, no? Not resided?
Yes, ma'am. It will be resides.
Yes, बेटा. अभी भी वो 12 years का ही है. अभी आप बुक पढ़ोगे तो भी वो 12 years का होगा और वहीं रह रहा होगा. If you will read this book after 10 years, तब भी वो 12 years का होगा और वहीं रह रहा होगा. So let's not change the tenses when it comes to books. Okay, let's move on to the ब्रेक में ये वाला नंबर चला जाएगा उसके पास, जो नहीं जाना चाहिए। ये नंबर चला है, ब्रेक होने दो, 10:30 पे ब्रेक खा जाएगा मेरी, ये भी प्रॉब्लम है। अभी रुक जाओ एक सेकंड। Are we done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, how many Supermans? The entire class only. Flood waters dash vast areas of the delta region of Mahanadi river system in Odisha. Give me the answer.
In
Gulfs.
Gulfs.
In
In
Gulf.
Gulfs.
In Gulf.
Why not in Gulfs? Why in Gulf?
Ma'am, it is in Gulfs
Because,
only.
ma'am, it is. Yes, ma'am, it is in Gulf.
So you feel the answer is in Gulfs or in Gulf?
I'm in
In
Gulf.
Gulf. In Gulf.
In Gulf.
No, it is not in Gulf. It is in Gulf. Tell me why. Why it is not in Gulfs? Tell me somebody. You will tell.
Ma'am, because it has taken place in the past.
No, why are we not saying in Gulf? Why we are saying in Gulf, but not in Gulfs? Why? Who will tell me?
Because in Gulf is not a word.
In Gulfs is a
Ma'am,
word.
because we are using past tense here.
No, this is not the correct answer. Anybody in the class? Why not in Gulfs? Nobody. Mute your audio, children. Only when you have to speak. Hanji beta, tell me quickly, why not in Gulfs? Jaldi bolo, jaldi.
Ma'am, because one S is already used in waters.
Excellent. It is plural. It is waters.
Yes, ma'am.
Achha, tell me one thing, children. Boys play or plays?
Play.
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 Come on, class,
Yes,
please
ma'am.
answer. I'm not asking you some rocket science question. I'm saying girls sing or sings?
Sing.
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 Ma'am,
Sing.
because it is plural.
Birds fly or flies?
Ma'am,
Fly.
fly.
Fly. Birds fly or flies?
Fly.
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 With plurals already एक s लगा रहता है. We do not
Yes,
need
ma'am.
another s. I told you boys play. We do not say boys plays because there is already an s with the boy. Boys. So plural के साथ verb में s नहीं आता है. Girls sing, not sings. Boys, so it is water or waters?
Ma'am, it is waters written.
Read the sentence. Is it water or waters?
Waters.
Waters.
Yes, it is waters. So will we have engulf or engulfs?
Engulf.
In Gulf.
Hmm?
Engulf.
बेटा s s
Engulf.
लगेगा नहीं
Engulf.
लगेगा नहीं
Engulf.
लगेगा ना.
नहीं
Okay.
लगेगा.
Let's move on to this one. The death toll due to floods dash up to 34. Very quickly.
Go. Go.
When.
Ma'am,
When
when
goes.
When.
We are talking about present tense. Goes.
goes.
The SRC said,
When.
said, adds. Tell me this one.
Yes.
Yes, most. Very good. Most of the
Adding.
casualties due to
Are due to.
are
Is
Beta, it is
are
plural.
due to
Are due to
the
dash and wall collapse.
Droning.
Very good. Are due to drowning and wall collapse. Very good. So this is one lesson we have learned. S के साथ S नहीं लगाना है. Now please do this passage in correct. Then raise your hands.
Nice song.
Isa? Isa, can you hear me, beta? Isa, can you hear me, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, your mic is on. उसको off कर दो. It's only when you give the answers तब on करना. Okay? Let's start discussing, children. Ready? Tell me the
Yes,
first
ma'am.
one. Alice are feeling bored. Which is the incorrect word?
Ma'am, R is incorrect and in place of it we need to put was.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Alice was feeling bored and drowsy.
The second one?
Ma'am, no change.
Ma'am, no change. No change.
Why others are not speaking?
in place of older, it will come elder.
This is third one.
Okay, beta. Second one. Now come to the third one. Tell me the third one.
Reading. Ma'am, reading.
Yes, ma'am.
Reading.
Instead of read, it will become reading.
Excellent. Instead of reads, it will become reading. What about the fourth one?
Ma'am, notice will become noticed.
Noticed.
Ma'am, noticed will become noticed.
Noticed.
Too good. Notice will become noticed. Next one.
Ma'am, wear will become wearing.
Hearing.
Wear become wearing.
Yes, it is wearing. Very good. Next one.
Ma'am, talk become talked.
Follow will become followed.
And talked.
Ma'am, talked.
Talked to itself as a ran past. She follow it down. Tell me this
Ma'am,
one. This
follow will become followed.
yes, follow
Followed.
becomes followed.
Followed.
And what about the last one?
Followed.
Ma'am, fall will become fell.
Yes,
Ma'am,
it will
fall
become fell.
will become fell.
Can anybody take up the challenge of speaking the entire paragraph in a correct way by removing
Ma'am,
the
may
incorrect
I?
word? Yes, first child to take a challenge. Please start. Start, beta.
Alice was feeling bored and drowsy while sitting on the riverbank with her older sister, who was reading a book with no pictures or conversations. She then noticed a white rabbit wearing a waistcoat and pocket watch, talked to itself as it ran past. She followed it down a rabbit hole, but suddenly fell a long way to a curious hall with many locked doors.
Yes, ma'am. Correct.
Excellent, excellent. Who would like to do next?
Ma'am, the same para.
Ma'am,
Yes, the same one. Start. Who will do?
Okay, ma'am. I'll try.
Start. Nana wants to do. Start, beta.
Yes. Ma'am, yes, ma'am. I'm starting. Alice was feeling bored and drowsy while sitting on the river bank with her older sister, who was reading a book with no pictures or conversations. She then noticed a white rabbit wearing a waistcoat and pocket watch, talked to itself as it ran past. She followed it down a rabbit hole, but suddenly fell a long way to a curious hall with many locked doors.
Excellent, excellent. Anybody else would like to take this challenge? Two people have already done it. बहुत
Ma'am, may
बढ़िया,
I?
very good bच्चे. Yes, start.
Ma'am,
Start,
may
start,
I?
children, start. Hurry up. Hurry, start, भैया, start.
Alice was feeling bored while sitting on the river bank with her older sister who was reading a book with, with no pictures or conversations. She then noticed a white rabbit wearing a waistcoat and pocket watch, talking to itself as it ran past. She followed it down a rabbit hole, but suddenly fell a long way to a curious hall with many locked doors.
Yes. Did he do any mistake?
Yes,
No.
ma'am.
Yes. Which
Yes,
mistake he
ma'am.
did? Which
Ma'am,
mistake he
he
did?
said talking, but it should be talked.
One
Yes,
mistake which he did.
ma'am.
When we speak in a quicker manner, he has done one small mistake while speaking. Okay. Anybody else? One last child I
May
give
I?
time. Start. Start.
Alice
first, that
was
boy.
feeling
Speak better.
Alice was feeling bored and drowsy while sitting on the river bank with her old sister who was reading a book with no pictures or conversations. She then noticed a white rabbit wearing a waistcoat and pocket watch talked to itself as it ran past. She followed it down a rabbit hole but suddenly fell a long way to a curious hall with many locked doors.
Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. At least you tried it out. The best part is this. Thank you so much, children. We'll continue next week. It's time for your break now.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Got
Very
Thank you,
nice
ma'am.
day, ma'am.